In this video, we'll demonstrate how to copy a table in Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to copy a table in Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. To create a table, you can type / and type table, or simply click on the plus sign and scroll down to find table. Customize your table by adding columns and rows as needed. Now, here's how you can copy the table. Click and drag to select the entire table. Then, go to the top 3 dots and select Duplicate. Or use the shortcut Ctrl+D to create a duplicate. Another method to copy the table is to use the copy-paste function. Simply copy the table, Ctrl+C, and paste it, Ctrl+V, to create copies of your table. And that's it. You've successfully copied your table in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tutorials and information, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com.